Today we will talk about how to make money through artificial intelligence. AI's influence on technology is due in part because of how it impacts computing. Through AI, computers have the ability to harness massive amounts of data and use their learned intelligence to make optimal decisions and discoveries in fractions of the time that it would take humans. 1. AI in transportation. Transportation is one industry that is certainly teed up to be drastically changed by AI. Self-driving cars and AI travel planners are just a couple of facets of how we get from point A to point B that will be influenced by AI. Even though autonomous vehicles are far from perfect, they will one day ferry us from place to place. 2. AI in manufacturing. Manufacturing has been benefiting from AI for years. With AI-enabled robotic arms and other manufacturing bots dating back to the 1960s and 1970s, the industry has adapted well to the powers of AI. These industrial robots typically work alongside humans to perform a limited range of tasks like assembly and stacking, and predictive analysis sensors keep equipment running smoothly. 3. AI in healthcare. It may seem unlikely, but AI healthcare is already changing the way humans interact with medical providers. Thanks to its big data analysis capabilities, AI helps identify diseases more quickly and accurately, speed up and streamline drug discovery, and even monitor patients through virtual nursing assistants. 4. AI in education. AI in education will change the way humans of all ages learn. AI's use of machine learning, natural language processing, and facial recognition help digitize textbooks, detect plagiarism, and gauge the emotions of students to help determine who's struggling or bored. Both presently and in the future, AI tailors the experience of learning to students' individual needs. 5. AI in media. Journalism is harnessing AI too, and will continue to benefit from it. One example can be seen in the Associated Press use of automated insights, which produces thousands of earning report stories per year. But as generative AI writing tools, such as ChatGPT, enter the market, questions about their use in journalism abound. 6. AI in customer service. Most people dread getting a robocall, but AI in customer service can provide the industry with data-driven tools that bring meaningful insights to both the customer and the provider. AI tools powering the customer service industry come in the form of chatbots and virtual assistants. 7. The near future of AI. In Mendelssohn's view, some of the most intriguing AI research and experimentation that will have near-future ramifications is happening in two areas: reinforcement learning, which deals in rewards and punishment rather than labeled data, and generative adversarial networks, GAN for short, that allow computer algorithms to create rather than merely assess by pitting two nets against each other. The former is exemplified by the prowess of Google DeepMind's AlphaGo Zero, the latter by original image or audio generation that's based on learning about a certain subject like celebrities or a particular type of music. On a far grander scale, AI is poised to have a major effect on sustainability, climate change, and environmental issues. Ideally and partly through the use of sophisticated sensors, cities will become less congested, less polluted, and generally more livable. Once you predict something, you can prescribe certain policies and rules, Narsted said. Such as sensors on cars that send data about traffic conditions could predict potential problems and optimize the flow of cars. This is not yet perfected by any means, she said. It's just in its infancy. But years down the road, it will play a really big role. AI and privacy risks. Of course, much has been made of the fact that AI's reliance on big data is already impacting privacy in a major way. Look no further than Cambridge Analytica's Facebook shenanigans or Amazon's Alexa eavesdropping, two among many examples of tech gone wild. Without proper regulations and self-imposed limitations, critics argue, the situation will get even worse. In 2015, Apple CEO Tim Cook derided competitors Google and Meta for greed-driven data mining. They're gobbling up everything they can learn about you and trying to monetize it, he said in a 2015 speech. We think that's wrong. Later, during a talk in Brussels, Belgium, Cook expounded on his concern. Advancing AI by collecting huge personal profiles is laziness, not efficiency, he said. For artificial intelligence to be truly smart, it must respect human values, including privacy. If we get this wrong, the dangers are profound. Plenty of others agree. In a 2018 paper published by UK-based human rights and privacy groups Video 19 and Privacy International, anxiety about AI is reserved for its everyday functions rather than a cataclysmic shift like the advent of robot overlords. Speaking at London's Westminster Abbey in late 2018, internationally renowned AI expert Stuart Russell joked, or not, about his formal agreement with journalists that I won't talk to them unless they agree not to put a Terminator robot in the video. His quip revealed an obvious contempt for Hollywood representations of far future AI, which tend toward the overwrought and apocalyptic. What Russell referred to as human-level AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, AGI, has long been fodder for fantasy. But the chances of its being realized anytime soon, or at all, are pretty slim. There are still major breakthroughs that have to happen before we reach anything that resembles human-level AI, Russell explained. Russell also pointed out that AI is not currently equipped to fully understand language. This shows a distinct difference between humans and AI at the present moment. Humans can translate machine language and understand it, but AI can't do the same for human language. However, if we reach a point where AI is able to understand our languages, AI systems would be able to read and understand everything ever written. Once we have that capability, you could then query all of human knowledge and it would be able to synthesize and integrate and answer questions that no human being has ever been able to answer. Russell added, because they haven't read and been able to put together and join the dots between things that have remained separate throughout history. This offers us a lot to think about. On the subject of which, emulating the human brain is exceedingly difficult and yet another reason for AGI's still hypothetical future. Longtime University of Michigan engineering and computer science professor John Laird has conducted research in the field for several decades. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.